it is time once again to celebrate the magic of jewelry, sarees and accessories. We are at My Fortune Hotel for the Crafts Council of India's exhibition. So let's step in to see the enormous collections. We are with Ms. Kunjan. Hi, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Tell us about your designer studio.
Well, we are based in Bhubaneswar. We work solely with handloom weavers and handicraft artisans. And here we closely work with the weavers in a way where we want to make the weaver believe and reinforce the fact that he is a designer more than a laborer. And that is, with that notion is what we've been working with him. And I'll take you around my collection. We've been working with different districts of Odisha. There is a tussar belt in the Jajpur district in a village called Gopalpur. There are highly skilled tussar jala weavers there. And what we've done is with them, we've contemporized the weaves and come up with some very, very contemporary designs in jala weaves in pure tussar. We're also working with some tribal communities in Odisha. One of the communities being in the Kotpad region, where they are the only community who are doing natural dyes in Odisha for centuries now.
Hi, I'm Preeti and I'm one of the leading wedding planners in the city. My store is Mehek. And I think the exhibition is fabulous, especially the jewelry is like very exciting. You have a combination of real as well as the costume. Costume jewelry, I think the best store I would say would be the Curio Cottage, because they have a very good variety of traditional as well as contemporary jewelry, which is very inviting. And the saris, of course, are very, the colors are very vibrant, and I think really gives you a very good choice of cottons as well as tussars, and I think it's a fabulous blend, and people really look forward to the Craft Council. We wait for it the entire year, and we really wait for it to come down to Chennai. I think it's a very good exhibition, and what I really like about the exhibition is like we're trying to help the NGOs, which is a very good cause. Very few exhibitions in the city I think really go way out and help the NGOs. So I'm very glad that I came for this. Thank you so much.
Crafts Council of India does 2 sales a year. They call the Textiles and Jewelry Show. The main purpose of this is to do our fundraising for the year for ourselves. We need the income to run our admin, and we take special care to invite young designers and entrepreneurs who used Indian hand weaves or hand embroidery or handcraft to make their contemporary garments, saris, etc. And the Chennai public keeps looking forward to our exhibitions because every time we bring out something new. And for the young entrepreneurs who come here, it's an experience for them, because they see what other people are selling and they know how to match their price points, how to develop designs and what the public wants. So it's an exhibition that's much sought after.
Stay tuned with us. We'll get back to you after a short break.